Looking for a unique idea for an accent wall in your home? How about a buffalo print pattern? Check this out. We're using 4 paint colors, from lightest to darkest, to create this effect. First, we're patching imperfections in the wall, getting it all smooth, and then we're refreshing the base coat. Let this thoroughly dry before starting the layout. We're choosing to create 12-inch squares, so we're marking off our horizontal lines top to bottom every 12 inches. A laser level helps speed the process of connecting the dots. We're taping very carefully along that red line. A nice straight line of tape is key here. When the horizontal lines are all taped and you've gone back to seal them, it's time to apply the paint. Cut in with a brush on the sides, then roll between every other stripe. Make time for 2 coats of paint. When it comes to removing the tape, it's important to note that you should be doing this just as the paint starts to dry, meaning that you don't want to wait overnight to peel the tape, because then you can get some separation and actually pull paint off of there. For laying out the vertical stripes, we're using a laser level again to get really straight tape lines. Then we're using the 3rd darkest color of paint, cutting in first, this time at the top and bottom, then rolling. For the last round of taping, block off the intersecting squares. Okay, it's time now for our final coat. You can see it's sort of a subtle change in color. I'm using a small roller now to fill in this square, and in just a little bit we're going to be able to pull the tape and reveal our finished product.